I'm Zach. I'm a product manager on the assessments team at IXL. The LevelUp Diagnostic is our newest state-of-the-art diagnostic for K-12 math and ELA. And not only does it provide accurate scores very efficiently, but it also provides in-depth analytics. So you can see where the student is at in their grade level proficiency, but also dig into specific strands and standards. And for every student, get a personalized action plan to see what skills that student needs to work on next. The LevelUp Diagnostic is a useful tool for teachers for a couple of reasons. First and foremost is our real-time mode. Real-time mode allows teachers to get data not just 3 times a year when they would do their typical benchmarking, but in between those benchmarks. So you can always have the most up-to-date data. You want to know what your student knows right now, not 2 months ago. And that makes the LevelUp Diagnostic unique. And on top of that, it taps right into IXL. And so teachers can use all of the skills that are on the site. We have over 17,000 skills. We have teacher engagement tools like our group jam and our leaderboards, and students can explore the site as well. So they can do all of their learning and growth right on the platform as well. What's exciting for admins is that everything is all in one place. So you can set up your benchmark windows just as you would with any other assessment, but then you have access to a whole suite of analytics to dig into that data and determine what to do next. Not only are you getting the overview of where students are at and tracking that growth throughout the year, but you can dig into strand and standard and make decisions based on that, as well as set up groups and filters to see data based on demographic, based on teacher, school, or any other dimension that you're interested in. So you can really dig in and understand exactly how your students are doing throughout the year. Teachers are finding really fun, creative ways to use the LevelUp Diagnostic. The most exciting one is for teachers who are using the LevelUp Diagnostic every week with their students in class. They set up maintenance Mondays, or it may not be on Monday, but some regular schedule where students go in. About 10 minutes a week is all it takes for the students to keep their scores up to date and keep their recommendations up to date. With that up-to-dateness, teachers can feel confident having students work on their personalized action plans and target the skills that they need to work on most. So that might happen just in 5-10 minutes. You find spare throughout the day of instructional time. Or if you're taking a small group aside, you can have the rest of the class work on their plans and feel confident they're working on what's most useful for them in that moment. So schools and districts are using LevelUp as their traditional benchmark. So they'll set up windows at the beginning of year, the middle of year, and end of year to capture those points in time of student data. And that helps for a lot of reasons. It helps you make high-stakes decisions that you need to make at the beginning or the end of the year about resourcing, about intervention, and check in the middle of year how students are doing. But on top of that, if the school or district is using real-time mode and keeping those scores up to date, admins can see those current levels whenever they want to and see if they're on track for their goals. So it gives admins a lot of flexibility to see data about how their students are doing at any point during the year. With the LevelUp Diagnostic, a student will not only get a score, but get a personalized action plan when they complete the test. And that means that for every strand that the test is measuring, we're going to provide a number of recommendations, skills that that student needs to work on to improve. And that's personalized to how the student performed for that individual strand. So this is a great way to easily differentiate between your students to see where they have weaknesses and where they have strengths and are ready, have opportunities to grow above grade level or to catch up back to grade level. And you always have a plan to do that. What's great about the action plans too is they update in real time. So not only will they update if you go into real-time mode and update your score, but also as students start gaining proficiency in the skills on those plans, we'll replace them with the next skill on the list so that that plan is always growing with the student. LevelUp reporting is especially powerful because of its flexibility. We're not just providing a high-level view of whether the student's on grade level or not on grade level. We actually provide a lot of information that teachers and admins can dig into to make the decisions that they need to. Beyond that overall score, we have strand scores to dig into a particular topic area, as well as standards reporting to see how students are performing on the state standards for their grade. Beyond that, admins and teachers can look at the data in different ways. You can look at how students are performing by grade, by school, by custom demographics, depending on what type of student group you want to look at and focus on. And so you have the flexibility to really dig in and get the information that you need for the target group of students that you're interested in. We've heard a lot of feedback from teachers and admins about the LevelUp Diagnostic. In particular, they're excited about the test and the data that they receive, as well as how it's tapped right into IXL, so they can use all of the existing engagement tools that they're excited about and the skill practice on the site. It being all in one, all the way from assessment to learning and growth to reassessment, makes things really easy and exciting for our teachers. We are always listening to teachers and admins and constantly improving and refining the test.